Read chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Chapter name is air. Okay, air is lifeline of all living things. We cannot live without air even for 2 minutes. बच्चे you know food is our basic need. बच्चे air is also our basic need. We can't live without air any 2 minutes. Air is all around us. Around means on every side. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it blows. बच्चे, you can see that clothes moving by air and that trees leaves also moving by air. Moving means बच्चे blows. Okay. Leaves of trees, clothes, etc. move when air blows. But when fully air came, our clothes moving here and there, and trees leaves also. Moving air is called wind. Wind means blow. Slow moving air is called breeze. Fast moving air is called storm. Storm means gale. Very fast storm can destroy mud houses, poles, trees, etc. If very fast air came, that you can see here, it's destroy trees, also pole houses, mud houses, poles also, etc. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Occupies means lived in. Okay, settled. You can see here, there's one boy standing and he blows the balloon, and he blows balloon by his mouth. As you see, when we blow a balloon, its size becomes larger and larger. If we can take small balloon and we can get in there in this air by with our mouth, and its size became more larger and larger. It is because of air. It shows that air occupies space. Air has weight. Weight means heaviness, load. You can see here, that is weighting scale. Okay. That is activity. You can easily understand by this activity. Air has weight. It will be clear by the following activity. Put an empty flat football in one pan of weighting scale and air filled football in the other pan. You can see here, this is an empty football and this is a filled with air football, and you can see here, that is bent and that is upper side because of air. Pan of air filled football with lean to one side. Lean means bent. It shows that air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Burning means a flame. You can see here, this is also activity by, can you understand easily? Oxygen, a constituent of air, help in burning. It will be more clear by the following activity. Take 2 candles and light them. You also that activity doing at home easily. You can take 2 candle and one is covered with jar and one is not covered with jar. Okay, cover one lighted candle with the glass jar. After some time, you would see that covered candle will stop. This candle will stop after some time because it doesn't get air, and that get air properly, and it burning many more times from there this candle. Okay, after some time you would see that cover candle will stop burning, but uncovered candle keep burning continuously. The candle covered with jar stops burning because it does not get air. Okay, so it shows that air is needed for burning, but air is more important in our life for our breathing also. Air has force. Force means power. Air has force. When it blows very fast, it uproots trees, destroy poles. But we read in backside also, if most fast air came, then it's destroy like mud houses, poles, trees, almost that you can see here things. Uses of air. There are various uses of air. Air is used to move boats, Glider means plane. Air is used to move windmills. Windmills means pump. Windmill is used to grind grains means seed. It also used to draw underground water. Air is used by plants to make food and for breathing. But you can see here we get small plant. If that plant need water, that also same as usual need also air. Without air the plant cannot grow. Okay, air pollution. Pollution means बच्चे unwanted particles that pollute air. Mixing of harm particles in air is called air pollution. Mixing of harm particles in air is called. बच्चे you can see बच्चे we use vehicles with petrol diesel and they get more smoking air, and that smoking air also pollute this air. Smoke emitted by vehicles and factories is the main cause of air pollution. But you can see here that get बच्चे smoking air, this is not a fresh air, and that air also बच्चे that are called air pollution. Okay, we should plant more and more green plant to reduce air pollution. We should minimize the use vehicles. Okay बच्चे, now you can that also words underline like I am doing. Okay बच्चे, thank you students.